Hi, I'm Liz with Simply Delicious Baking, and in this video we are making mini chocolate chip pecan pie muffins. I should call these my Yoda muffins because these are not too pretty. In fact, they're kind of ugly, but at the same time they're so cute, like Yoda. Now most of all, these are super delicious. They're literally a pecan pie in a mini muffin. Let's bake some up. For these chocolate chip pecan pie muffins, you will need 1 cup packed brown sugar, a ½ cup of flour, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 2/3 cup of butter melted, 2 eggs beaten, and 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. This recipe will make about 2½ dozen mini muffins. In a mixing bowl, combine your brown sugar, flour, and pecans. Mix and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine melted butter and eggs and mix well. Stir the egg butter mixture into the flour mixture until it's just moistened. Then fold in the chocolate chips. Grease and flour a mini muffin pan well. I wanted to interrupt this regularly scheduled video to emphasize, make sure you grease this pan super well. If you baking spray, make sure you spray it super well. These are sticky muffins and they will stick easily. Fill the cups 2/3 full. Bake at 350 for 17 to 20 minutes. Remove and pop the muffins out. You can pop them out with a plastic knife. Cool or eat them while they're hot. These are just so delicious. You can trust me because I've already had several from this batch already. It is a nice crispy crust on the outside and a pecan pie filling in the middle. So good. I hope you enjoy these and don't forget to subscribe.